Remember our train example a few sessions back? Well, here we go again. You are boarding a train. The conductor welcomes you with clipboard in hand and asks, "Where to?" Like before, you hesitate, unsure. "No worries," the conductor says. "We will go wherever your beliefs take us." You stare, confused. The conductor explains. Your beliefs lay the tracks. If you believe the world is dangerous, we are heading straight to fear and suspicion junction. Believe people are fundamentally selfish? Then it's mistrust city for us. But if you believe in kindness and connection, we might just find ourselves in Harmony Station. As the train starts moving, you realize something remarkable. The scenery changes to match what you expect to see. If you expect danger, dark clouds roll in. If you believe in opportunity, the sun rises over lush green fields. Your beliefs don't just steer the train, they shape the entire journey. Are your beliefs taking you where you want to go? Beliefs are the building blocks of those worldviews we talked about. A worldview is a pooling of your beliefs. Beliefs are the granular filters through which we interpret reality. Beliefs shape how we see the world, how we interact with others, and how we make decisions. You determine your beliefs. Here's how beliefs work for and against you. Beliefs are your truth, even when they aren't true. A belief is something you accept as true, even if it isn't objectively factual. Your beliefs determine how you interpret events and experiences. They set the tone for your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Remember the law? What you put out, you get back. Someone who believes the world is a dangerous place will constantly be looking for threats, even in safe environments. Someone who believes people are fundamentally good will approach others with trust and openness, fostering positive interactions. Beliefs color everything you see. Beliefs are formed through judgment and habits of thought. They aren't random. The people around us condition us with their judgments, assumptions, and beliefs, good and bad. Most people, and I'm suggesting you not be one of them, buy into whatever the people around them tell them about circumstances, other people, and the reality we experience. This establishes a very low bar. Beliefs are built over time through our social connections, family, friends, and colleagues, and the repeated thoughts we cling to and judgments we make. Understanding how beliefs form gives you power to reshape them. If someone repeatedly tells you, or you repeatedly think, "I'm not good at public speaking," it solidifies into a negative belief. If you keep hearing that others can't be trusted, or if you frequently judge people as untrustworthy, you'll start believing that trust is impossible. What you focus on grows, and other people around you influence what you focus on. If you habitually dwell on fear, or those around you do, fear becomes your reality. Beliefs shape your reality, but you can change them. Beliefs are the superstructure of your worldview. Your beliefs act like a self-fulfilling prophecy. If you see crises as calamities, they are. If you see crises as opportunities, they are. However, beliefs are not fixed. You can challenge and reshape them. Changing your beliefs opens the door to new possibilities, new experiences. A person who believes, "I'm bad at math," can start affirming, "I can learn math with practice." And with committed action, over time, shift their belief and improve their skills. You are the conductor of your train, the controller of your video game. By changing your beliefs, you change your destination, your experience. If things are not working for you, identify, challenge, and reshape your belief. First, identify a limiting belief. Think of an area in your life where you feel stuck. What belief might be holding you back? For instance, "I'm not creative," "I can't trust people," or "the world is against me." Next, challenge that belief. Is that belief objectively true, or is it just a habit of thought? What evidence might contradict that belief? If you believe "I'm not creative," recall a time when you solved a problem or made something unique. Then, replace the belief. Now, this will take some time and effort. Create a new belief that serves you better. Phrase it as an empowering affirmation. Instead of "I'm not creative," try "creativity flows through me when I'm curious." Instead of "the world is dangerous," try "I trust myself to navigate challenges safely." And finally, reinforce the new belief. Practice your new belief daily. Write it down. Say it aloud. Reflect on it during meditation. Associate with people who reinforce your new belief. Align with your new belief. If you believe "I'm capable of learning," take steps to learn something new. The train is rolling. You think you've been traveling toward destinations you didn't choose, but you have in fact been choosing. Are you ready to lay new tracks? Beliefs are powerful, but they are not set in stone. You can reshape them at any moment. So where do you want your train to go?